you, everybody? Today we have spelling list 3, which is called compound words. What do we mean by compound words? It means adding two words together. If we have a word that we already know its meaning and we add to it another word, together they form a new one which gives us sometimes a totally new meaning. Let's see. Here we have the word tooth, which is one of the teeth we have in our mouth. And we are going to add to it the word paste. Paste, anything which is mixed with water to give you something like a creamy texture. This is a paste. Together they are toothpaste, the thing that we use to put on the brush to brush our teeth, to clean them. Next we have sea, shore. Sea is the sea, the water that we swim in. Shore is the beach or the sand next to the sea. The seashore is the place next to the sea, the place next to the sea, like the sand or the beach that we sit on, or the road next to the sea. While you are driving your car, you are by the seashore. Next, we have snow, the cold white ice that we can find in winter, and flake, which is anything that is cut into a thin round shape, like the corn flakes that you eat in the morning. Flakes, it is called flakes because it is cut like a flake, and the chips, it is cut like a flake also. Together they are snowflake, the thing that we may draw or even sometimes find in winter. Next we have water, and we are going to add to it fall, which means to fall down. Together they are waterfall, which is the water that is coming from a higher place to a river. From a higher place to a river. Next we have dust, which is the small particles. That means that this thing is unclean, okay, that you can find if you left a place for a long time and you come to put your fingers and you will find dust. Plus bin, which is the basket you threw in it the garbage or the rubbish. Together they are dust bin. The dust bin is the big basket where you threw all the garbage you have. Sometimes you find it next to your stairs or something to put all the garbage in it, or sometimes in the street to put all the garbage in it. Next we have back, which is the behind of you, your back. And pack with the P means to organize your things inside a bag. To pack your bag, put everything inside, organized. A backpack is the bag that you can hold on your back, like your school bag. It's a backpack. Next, we have the word cloak. What is a cloak? It's like a long cape with a hood. If you remember Little Red Riding Hood, she was wearing a cloak, a red cloak. It's a hood with long cape covering all your body. Plus room, the room that we have in our houses or at school, anywhere, room. A cloakroom is a room that you can find at the beginning of the house. When you enter the house, you can find the cloakroom where you put your jackets, your shoes, your boots after entering the house. This is the cloakroom. You put your things whenever you enter the house. You take off your jacket or you take off your shoes and boots and put them inside the cloakroom. Next we have the word tea, which is the thing that we can drink it hot, and pot. A pot is a big thing that we can put things in it, or the pot that your mom uses to cook food in it. Pot. Together they are teapot, which is the container that we can make the tea inside it. We boil the water inside it and add the tea to drink tea in the teapot. Pour from the teapot into the cups to drink it for sure. Next, we have the word toe. Your toe is the finger that you can find in your feet. And nail, which means the nail that you use to fix something or to put something on the wall. Together they are toenail, which is the nail, the place where girls can put nail polish on it. Your toenail. Your toenail is the place in your toe which girls use to color it with the nail polish. Next we have the word head and light. Head, your head, and light, the light that comes out of the lamp or the torch. Together they are headlight, which is the front light of a car. It is the front light of a car. If you are driving and it is dark, you switch the headlights on. Next we have the word door and step. Step means to move one feet forward or up. Together they are doorstep, which is the thing that you can find in front of your door for people to clean their shoes in it. You know the doorstep, most of the time written on it welcome, because you are welcoming people. Okay, the doorstep is a small rug that we put in front of the door. Next we have short, like the shorts that boys can wear or girls. And cut means to cut something using scissors or to cut something into pieces. Together they are shortcut. Shortcut. What do we mean by a shortcut? It is a road or a way which makes you go to your destination faster. For example, if you are going to go around something, around the building or something, to go to the other side, sometimes you have a shortcut. You may enter the building and go from another door at the other side. This is called a shortcut. You go quickly to the other side. Thank you. I wish you got it.